Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Visa account with Rakuten. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in rakuten.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Rakuten. Now before you click on the sign in button at the top right corner, simply scroll all the way down and then click on Rakuten France and click on the yes button to go to the alternate website. Now change the language if you need to by selecting English from Google Translate. After you do this, you can simply click on the to login button and this will take you into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your email address followed by your password. After entering both of these, you can simply click on the login button and this will log you into your Visa account with Rakuten. In case you forgot your password, you can simply click on I forgot my password and then you will be asked to enter your email address, which you can use to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Visa account with Rakuten. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.